Okay, ladies and gentlemen, when I say milli, it means put your hands together like this and rub it like this. Are you ready? If you're ready, say yeah, yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Okay. Milli. Okay, you guys are so smart. Okay, when I say luapati, that means clap your hand 2 times. Are you ready? If you're ready, say yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Say it out. Okay, ready? Luapati. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, when I say luapati, take out. That means clap your hand 2 times and then. Are you ready? If you're ready, say yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, I like that. Okay, ready? Mama, let's take out. When I say luapati, buffalo, just mean clap your hand 2 times and then. Are you ready? If you're ready, say come on. Okay. Luapati, buffalo. I need a volunteer. Which one? This one? You too? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. What's your name, bro? Kiko. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand to Kiko. What's your name, Tom? Nie. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give another hand to Nie. And ladies and gentlemen, and myself too. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, keep on me up. Okay. So right now you follow me, alright? Okay. Are you ready? Okay. I like your palaya. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. First you need to make yourself like you're ready. Okay. Yeah. Okay. First move. Watch me. First move, watch me. Alright, your turn. You go first. Oh, wait. Ladies first. Ladies first. Oh. Okay, your turn, bro. You ready for the next one? Are you ready? Okay, are you ready, bro? Okay, next one. Okay. Hands first. What's the shape? I want to see the shape. The washing machine. What's the washing machine? Okay, yeah, okay. Follow me up, come stand like that. Don't be afraid of me. Don't be afraid. Okay. Are you ready? Just you two follow me. Right? Okay. Yo, DJ, drop. Thank you very much.